Field building up speed down the back straightaway. Jeff Stringer with green flag in hand, and he waves it, and they go 3 wide right off the bat. Look out. Andrus at 97 shoots to the lead. The purple people leader, Mike Shipman, lets him go. And I think that's a Dodge Diplomat. Did they even make those? Or did they even make them? Andrus out to the lead. Or is that a Chrysler New Yorker? Or weren't they all the same? Just different names, essentially. Garkey in that 20 car, charging hard from the rear of the field. Passes the 725 of Shipman. Garkey passes the 46. On his way, oh, look out. Garkey's been known to hit the wall a couple of times too, so watch out for him. The tires on these cars get a little warm and hot and greasy, and they seem to slide a little bit more. Garkey takes over that second spot with Blake Andrus in that 97. A good lead out front. That Jared Port in the multicolored 46. He didn't have a full can of spray paint when he got that car, as you could tell. That's a partial paint, we call that. Andrus, huge lead for him in the 97. He's a journeyman here. White flag for the 97. Blake Andrus. Andrew Garkey in that red 20. And that 46. Jared Port hanging on. Andrus, whoa, he hits the brakes. And he's not in the flagpole race, but he's going to try it. Blake Andrus rolling into victory lane. Mike Shipman in that 725. Got a good deal on purple paint. But he claims he's been racing here for over 30 years in different divisions. And God bless him. The journeyman Mike Shipman congratulating the winner, Blake Andrus.